welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English with Nisha. So friend, let's start this video. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about hesitation. One of my viewer has asked, whenever he talks with himself, he talks clearly, but coming to the talks with people, he feel hesitation. So how you can overcome it, how you can remove it, and how I did it, I will tell you in this video. So stay connected with this video till the end. See my dear friend, there are different reasons behind it to feel hesitation while speaking. And what are the reasons? That is lack of confidence, lack of practice, lack of knowledge, lack of word, lack of sentences, and just because of bad pronunciation too. So my dear friend, firstly you need to observe yourself. You need to examine yourself, why you feel hesitate and what is the cause to feel hesitate. You have to examine yourself and search that cause, and then you can work upon that and remove from your speaking. Because some of learner, they are good at everything, in understanding, in grammar, in writing, in at each and everything. But even though that learner feel hesitate, why? Just because of practice. Some of feel hesitate just because of bad pronunciation. Some of feel hesitate just because of words, sentences. So what is the reason in your case, and why you feel hesitate? You have to search it. And how you can do it? When you will observe, when you will record yourself, when you will listen yourself. Okay my dear friend. And how I removed it. So see what I did. I didn't do anything, only I did practice. Yes my dear friend, you heard it right, I did only practice. There is only one way to remove hesitation, and that is practice. There is no shortcut. There is no shortcut to remove hesitation, to overcome hesitation and fumble. Only there is one solution, and that is practice. So by practicing, I overcame it. How? I did practice of speaking, practice of listening, practice of reading, practice of writing, and practice of words, practice of sentences, practice of grammar. Yes my dear friend, because of this reason we feel hesitation while speaking. And if we work upon this, definitely we can remove hesitation from our speaking. So I did the same thing. I only did practice without taking any single day gap. I kept practicing, and still I do practicing each and every day. I don't break my consistency. So firstly, you have to take care of these things. You have to practice of these all things, like speaking, reading, writing, listening, grammar, words, each and everything without taking any single day gap. And if you feel a hesitation just because of confidence, so speak more and more, as much as you can. If you feel hesitation just because of word sentences, then read a lot, then listen a lot. Then that's how you can work on your word sentences. If you feel hesitation, uh, lack of practice, everything, you have all kind of knowledge and experience, but even though you feel hesitation just because of practice, you cannot keep your consistency. So maintain your consistency and do practice each and every day. If you feel hesitation just because of your bad pronunciation, so read a lot, Read a lot and listen a lot and work on your pronunciation. Put your mouth muscle into practice by speaking and by reading, and that's how you can work on your pronunciation too. And my dear friend, and that is why I am telling to do practice of these all things: reading, writing, listening, and word and grammar. Once again, I'm saying this line, I'm repeating this line: there is only way to overcome hesitation and fumbleness, and that is practice. There is no any shortcut. So keep it in your mind and start your practice and do your practice as much as you can do. And all practice, not only speaking but also each and every practice of listening, reading, writing, speaking, words, sentences, grammar. And that's how, my dear friend, you can remove hesitation from your speaking and build confidence, and you will get the fluency. So if you find this video valuable and helpful, so please like, share and subscribe. We will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye and have great day.